And a lot of people find it very difficult to quit and find their happy place. Have you seen people, and you know, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल होता है एक सेटअप को छोड़ के अब मैं अपनी हैप्पी प्लेस पे जाना चाहती हूँ, ये डिसीजन कैसे लिया जाए?
Okay, for me it was easy, but then a lot of but I must appreciate today's generation because of that. They're very clear. So they have, if I can use the word guts in that, they have, you see, our parents would slog in the work even if they're not enjoying because घर पे पैसे लेकर जाने हैं. वो इतना rebellious thought कभी ले नहीं सकता. वो I think they wouldn't even know the meaning of the word, mental health.
Correct.
Right?
Correct. So mental health is a very new term.
So I say in today's date, the next generation is very equipped to do it, Ruhani, very easily. उनके लिए decision difficult नहीं है. Even when I hire, these new interns, they are very clear. They work for a week and they're like, no ma'am, I can't do it. मेरे से कोई इतना hard work slugging नहीं हो रहा है. I'm reaching late. They will quit. I'm not happy. मेरा mental health affect हो रहा है. So I think थोड़ा सा हमें रिवर्स मेंटरिंग करना है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को.
करेक्ट.
कि मेंटल हेल्थ इज नॉट, डोंट यूज इट एट अ ड्रॉप ऑफ अ हैट, राइट? थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल भी करो मेंटल. डोंट
ये
लीव
रिवर्स
थिंग्स.
चाहिए.
रिवर्स चाहिए मुझे लग रहा है.
स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए
रिवर्स करना है हमें अभी. एंड नॉट टेल देम कि छोड़ दो अगर आप हैप्पी नहीं हो तो. सो वी हैव टू टेल देम थोड़ा सा डीपर जाओ. हैप्पीनेस डे टू डे, हर रोज हैप्पीनेस नहीं सोच सकते. So I think the construct of happiness and mental health needs to be thoda sa explain them to them at a deeper level.
True. And if we'll explain them this well today, only then we'll prepare them. Because this preparation is going missing somewhere. I too completely, as an educationist, it's been quite some time.
Yes, you have a lot of this. School के अंदर also you must see people.
तो मतलब ये चीज कॉन्सेप्ट हम बच्चों को राइट एज में बता देना, क्योंकि देखो कहीं ना कहीं हार्ड वर्क तो करना पड़ना है.
You should not tell them from बचपन की
only smart work नहीं होता, मतलब you have to work hard.
So struggle जरूरी है थोड़ा तो लाइफ में.
But I've known you so well and I've always been there for you. You've been there for me. Any specific incident that changed you or shaped you?
I learned a lot of things कि आपको अगर priorities, I learned that from my parents, कि जो priority है लाइफ में, बाकी सब उसके अराउंड fall in place हो जाएगा.
Wow.
मम्मी पापा ने तब भी बोला था पैसे जरूरी नहीं है बेटा, पढ़ाई जरूरी है. Wow. It shaped me.
I think it's something that's made you. You were always the responsible one in college. You were always the responsible one in whichever way have interacted with you, and I think this is what shaped you.
Yes, majorly. I still say that was a very difficult phase, very different, and it bonded us together on a different level as a family also. I was really amazed by the way my parents handled. I still am.
And I think one very good thing, Bhavya, is if you have your priorities right, everything else falls into place. So, if I talk about a decision to be in a small city, leaving a consulting job, if I talk about our decision, your decision to even head Bullseye, your decision to leave Yes Bank, or any of our decisions, if our priorities are right, things will fall into place. But effort honest होना चाहिए.
प्रायोरिटीज भी ऑनेस्टली अंदर से आनी चाहिए. देन डिसीजन मेकिंग इज वेरी इजी. बहुत लोग बोलते कितना मुश्किल हुआ होगा ना यार, वो इतनी हाई पेइंग जॉब छोड़ के आना और ये करना. मैंने कहा ऑनेस्टली इतना मुश्किल है ही नहीं. मुश्किल नहीं है.
अंदर से विश्वास,
अंदर से प्रायोरिटी है तो डिसीजन लेना मुश्किल नहीं होता. अब फॉर एग्जांपल टेकिंग केयर ऑफ बुलजाई आल्सो, आई डिलेड. अतुल सर टोल्ड मी बिफोर एंड आई सेड सर अभी नहीं, आई नीड वन मोर किड. सो आई डिलेड दैट आल्सो. मेरी प्रायोरिटी सेट है, आई वांट 2 किड्स. तो सर वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी मैं अपने बच्चे को थोड़ा बड़ा कर लूं. आई वांट वन मोर किड. तो कहते हैं तीसरा तो नहीं करना था. नहीं.
I was talking to you कि भाई भव्या, this amount of time for Bullseye, this amount of time for school, I have इतना time left. सर रुहानी 3 घंटे तेरी फैमिली के हो गए ना, तो इतना ही सोच. So we were discussing recently, what next? Let's do something more, and we will keep doing.
That is what we are, right?
That's what we are.